I zip up my bag. I zip up my bag. I put it in my bag. I put it in my bag. I label the box. I label the box. I clip the lid shut. I clip the lid shut. I close the lunchbox. I close the lunchbox. I tuck in a note. I tuck in a note. I add a napkin. I add a napkin. I arrange the box. I arrange the box. I stand the bottle up. I stand the bottle up. I slide in the snacks. I slide in the snacks. I tuck in the fruit. I tuck in the fruit. I pack the sandwich. I pack the sandwich. I line the box. I line the box. I pour the juice. I pour the juice. I screw on the cap. I screw on the cap. I fill the water bottle. I fill the water bottle. I choose a yogurt. I choose a yogurt. I bag some nuts. I bag some nuts. I count the cookies. I count the cookies. I grab some crackers. I grab some crackers. I mix the fruit. I mix the fruit. I peel a banana. I peel a banana. I have the grapes. I have the grapes. I chop the melon. I chop the melon. I core the apple. I core the apple. I cut the apple. I cut the apple. I peel an orange. I peel an orange. I wash an apple. I wash an apple. I wrap the sandwich. I wrap the sandwich. I cut the sandwich. I cut the sandwich. I press the sandwich. I press the sandwich. I top the sandwich. I top the sandwich. I tear the lettuce. I tear the lettuce. I rinse the lettuce. I rinse the lettuce. I lay some ham. I lay some ham. I add a slice of cheese. I add a slice of cheese. I scoop the jam. I scoop the jam. I spread the butter. I spread the butter. I open the butter. I open the butter. I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I place 2 slices. I place 2 slices. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I get the bread. I get the bread. I tie my apron. I tie my apron. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I open the lid. I open the lid. I unclip the lid. I unclip the lid. I set the lunchbox down. I set the lunchbox down. I take out the lunchbox. I take out the lunchbox. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. Zip. Put. Label. Clip. Close. Tuck a note. Add a napkin. Arrange. Stand. Slide. Tuck. Pack. Line. Pour. Screw. Fill. Choose. Bag. Count. Grab. Mix. Peel the banana. Halve. Chop. Core. Cut the apple. Peel. Wash the apple. Wrap. Cut. Press. Top. Tier. Rinse. Lay. Add. Scoop. Spread. Open the butter. Toast. Place. Slice. Get. Tie. Wash. Open the lid. Unclip. Set. Take. Open.